Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with crypto loans both in bull market as well as bear market. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before taking out any crypto loans or investing into cryptocurrency. So if you want to take out loan, then you will need to have an account on changenow.io. You can use the link in the description to sign up for Change Now, where you will be getting cashbacks and a lot of discounts on every trade. So with regards to cashback, you will be getting this token, which is Change Now token, and as you can see, it's up by 72% all time high. Now, once you have an account created, all you have to do is you will need to click on loan. Now there are two types of loan. One is a bull market loan and one is a bear market loan. I will show you both. Now let's take a scenario where Bitcoin is at all-time high. So at that time, maybe you can put like any amount of Bitcoin as collateral, against which you will be getting 50% of the Bitcoin value as the loan amount. So there are multiple options for getting this loan. So there is one USDT Tether, which is on the Tron network. Then this is on the Ethereum network, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and you have USDC coin, then True USD and True USD on Tron. So you select whichever is comfortable for you. So I will select the one on the Ethereum network USDT. As you can see, it's written ETH. Now what you have to do is you will need to click on Get Loan over here. Now you will need to put in your USDT payout address. Now let's take an example, like if you are using Trust Wallet or some other wallet, simply go to Trust Wallet and search for USDT. So this is the one on the Ethereum network. So I will click on it. I will click on receive and I will copy this address and paste it over here. Now please note that by default this USDT Ethereum won't be available on Trust Wallet. You will need to go over here and manually add it to Trust Wallet over here. Similarly, you can do it for other chains also. So for some reason it's not loading. So yeah, it's available on multiple chain, as you can see. So whatever suits you, you can add it to your Trust Wallet or any other wallet that you use. Now once you do that, you can click on confirm over here. Now please note that the APR is 12% and the loan term is unlimited. So this is the best thing, like there is no specific date where you have to repay this, and this is the down limit and this is the monthly interest rate. Basically you will need to pay like 215 USDT for swapping one BTC to USDT as per the current exchange rate, and this is the annualized interest rate. So once I click on confirm over here, then what you have to do is they will give us the address where you will be, where you have to send one BTC. So this is the address where you will be sending one BTC, and they will wait for the collateral to arrive. And once that is done, it usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes for you to get the USDT or any other token that you would like to have. Now once it's successful, it will show as success, and like after 10 minutes or so, you will be getting USDT in your Trust Wallet, or maybe you can use the centralized exchange address also. Now similarly, this was the case for bull market. Now what happens in bear market is, like in bear market you would like to buy as much as Bitcoin or any altcoin, and in this scenario you would like to have as much USDT as possible. So this is the bear market loan. So as you can see, they have this option of, again, USDT on this one, Ethereum, USDC coin, then Polygon network, Tron network. So let's say if you want to give 10,000 USDT as collateral, again you will be getting 50% as loan. So basically you will be getting this amount as loan BTC. So simply click on get loan and follow the similar thing. Now how this is beneficial, I will tell you. For example, let's say Bitcoin is currently at around 40,000 levels, and you will be getting like 50% of it is like 20,000. Now let's say Bitcoin rises by maybe double, maybe 80,000. So basically, the 20,000 USDT that you had borrowed, and you have bought Bitcoin with that 20,000 USDT is now worth 30,000. So basically, if you sell this at 30,000 right now, you are making like $10,000 of profit. Now this $10,000, you can use some part of it to pay off the loan, and basically rest of it is the profit for you. So this is the scenario for bull market, which is actually good. For bear market, you are putting USDT, and similarly, if you are buying Bitcoin or any other coin and the price of that specific token rises very quickly and you sell it off, you make a huge profit without investing additional funds. So this is how you can make money with crypto loans. But once again, there is a chance of getting liquidated, to be honest, if the asset price rises or falls very sharply. And the thing with this is you should note that you have to pay $100 if you pre-close the loan in 1 month. So after 1 month there are no charges, and the best thing about this is like the unlimited term loan. So this is how you can get loans on change now. And once again, if you would like to uh, take loans on change now, you can use the link in the description where you will be getting discounts and cashback. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.